This video will show how to access health index scores within the MAP application, how to adjust the visualization of the scores, and where to go for more information about how the index scores were calculated. The WHAF project is built around the 5 components of system health. Scores are organized this way to provide a consistent and systematic way of assessing ecosystem function, and you will find each of the health index scores grouped under one of the 5 different components. Within the application layout, you can access health index scores through the Health Score tool, which is the top tool button on the left, shown here with the leaf icon. When I click on the tool, the Ecological Health Scores window opens, which lists the 5 components. We can then expand each component to show the related health indices. For example, if we expand the water quality heading, we'll see all of the water quality related health index scores. Then we can click on one of the index scores and it will be displayed on the map. Within each component grouping, there will also be a mean component score that's calculated by averaging all of the major scale indices for that component. Some of the indices were created by combining a set of metrics. If there are additional metrics available for a particular index score, there will be this small black arrow next to the name, indicating that you can further expand this list to explore those metrics. If you click on the name, you'll activate that index score, but it'll also open the list of additional metrics. As you hover your mouse cursor over each of the index scores, a window will automatically pop up. In the pop-up window, you'll see the full name of the index score and a brief description of what that score represents. If you want to learn more about a particular score, you can follow the link embedded in the text within the pop-up, and it'll open a new browser with a comprehensive description. Some of the index scores have been calculated at multiple scales. If this index score has been, you'll see each of the scales listed in the top right corner of the pop-up, and you can switch between display of each scale by toggling the radio button next to that scale name. When you display a score on the map, a new window will appear in the top left, and it indicates the score's name, and it lets you adjust the transparency with this slider bar below the name. Transparency can be useful when you want to expose other information that might be displayed in the base map. Occasionally, there can be a miscommunication between the server that delivers the map data and the browser that draws it. If this occurs, it's best to try to use the Refresh Map tool, which is this button on the left. This will ask the server and the browser to redraw the map data without losing the changes that you've made to the map so far.